Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset REALME C73. Okay, so let's begin. First we need to open up our settings. Once we are here, we need to simply scroll down into the bottom until we find the system settings. And now the last option is reset phone. In here, beside clearing all data, we can also reset app preferences and reset network and Bluetooth settings. To do it, simply click on that and click on reset in both cases. But we want to click on clear all data permanently. Remember that all of your data will be deleted. But for example, if you want to restore the data after the reset, you can always create a backup of your data. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you step by step how to do it. So if you want, you can look for it. And now we need to click on that blue button, clear all data, just like that. Now confirm by clicking erase all data. Okay, now the REALME logo disappeared, and now within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again, and the next thing we need to do is to simply set up our device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.